Your daughter, first time.
First time. Actually, siya talaga yung gusto kong makabiyahe sa
festival.
Tapos ang sarap pa ng feeling that we're gonna walk sa red carpet ng back to back.
Your daughter.
That is the most exciting part of me, na to be with Andy sa red carpet and in the movie at the same time, to people see us together walking. Yun sa akin yung pinaka big deal, yung waiting moment namin ni Andy to walk sa red carpet ng ito na, halika na, let's walk. Yun yung dream ko rin talaga. Last time, nakasalubong yan sa Angelina Jolie eh.
Ang saya.
Yung time namin
Service.
kasi, Angelina Jolie tsaka Brad Pitt. As in, mahal lang ni Brad, pero ako nagpunta ng film market, siya nagpunta sa... Nood ng sine si Julio eh. He likes to watch yung mga entries, tsaka may film market doon where you see all, parang ano to eh, parang bentahan ng pelikula sa buong mundo. Andun
Sa
sa lahat.
basement, no?
It's a beautiful, festive, showbiz, movie festival. The whole area. So, medyo lilinga-linga ka talaga. Oh, si Glenn Close, oh, si ganyan.
Excited na kayo. Sana si July na. It's also special because it's for
Yes,
July.
asawa siya.
Gusto niyo pumunta raw sa mama po.
I'm sure, but medyo relax, pahinga muna. No? Nakakakuha siya ng ng Pilipino na
Secondary ako.
may BMW. Bigla sa kayo, nagpo-bullet train kami going to French Riviera.
Magaling-galing.
Sila andun na. Oh, it's tough.
Meron na kayong mainstream, di ba? Nag-Viva kayo.
Yes, parang hindi kami
Hindi kayo
nagkita.
mag-ina. Parang hindi kayo mag-ina, no?
Hindi kami nagkita. Sa KPM, hindi rin kami mag-ina.
KPM.
Kapag puso yung masugatan, with Isa Calzado, Wendy Ramas.
TV.
Si Isa yung pamilya ko.
Oo, sa movie.
It's so hard to work with your relative, lalo na kung daughter mo, lalo na kung spoiled sa yung anak mo. So, syempre, hindi mo maiiwasan yung pagiging hindi naman stage mother, pagiging mommy, yung medyo,
concern.
Yung buhok mo maisip. So, dito, tinipan ko na siya beforehand. Sabi ko, ano to guerrilla shooting to you can't,
Saan ba kayo nag-shooting? Mandaluyong.
Somewhere here, but the style of
Slum area.
the working style is entirely different from what she's been
Used
doing.
to.
Used to. Dito
Walang
sabi ko,
tent.
don't bring your
She was a real trooper.
spoon and fork and
Sobrang galing makisama.
sasama ka, blend ka kung ano yung saan kami, ganyan, etc. And she did it well. Okay naman, walang reklamo, walang problema. So, pasapagad siya. I'm having my stylist take care of everything because I've been finishing all my for airing.
Hanggang show yung 7, no?
4 days ko nang gising.
Tulog ka kasi para makabiyahe ka. No?
I'm pondo. Tapos I'm starting a new sitcom. So, sabay. Millionaire's Wife, tsaka sitcom. So, 4th day ko na today nagising. To have something to represent our country. Bilang sabi, daming mga observers that we did well, etc. And I just wanna, and like, it's not only that, I want to really represent myself as a Filipina there. So, hindi naman Filipiniana na patadyong, but similar to
A modern.
parang ganun. Sa akin, ang syempre, challenge dito yung not to act. Naman Dante, di ba?
And coming from television na kailangan.
Medyo kukampi na ako, tsaka medyo sanay na tayo sa medyo loud acting. Syempre, you totally drop everything and ayaw niya, kahit na putting on a little makeup, ayaw, as is. Kung ano yung mga nakikita niyo sa kapaligiran dito sa ganitong klase ng area, ganun yung gusto niya, mag-blend.
Ano yung hopes niyo for the new government na maging treatment for the arts and culture?
Siyempre, we're hoping for a big support. And I think it's starting already. for this MIFF, right? But they want to make it more quality films
Oo.
than mainstream for people to see naman the other side of the business.
Oo.
Yun, to help to uplift the filmmakers like Brillante and the rest of
Nasuportahan
nasuportahan yung mga ganyan klase
festival.
pelikula dahil ang dami talaga magagandang mga pelikula na wala masyadong nakakapanood because kulang ng support. Dapat nga yung mga ganito, meron yung funds for us eh. Ba't ang nangyayari, kanya-kanya nga, diba? So,
Yung first time mo raw sa service, si Brillante was nagmamadali ng paakyat.
nininig silang lahat.
Ang sabi mo raw
So,
kay
naging payu. Eh, so ako hindi. Parang ako, I'm marrying the red carpet. Sabi, married, diba? Parang Elizabeth lang, Elizabeth. Puti ka lang doon. Namanin natin to. Baka hindi tayo malakad dito.
Yung papala.
Sila naman, nagdamamadali. Hindi ka na, dali makaalutan. Hindi nila kaya yung...
Tama ka.
Oo.
You should enjoy talaga.
Take time, enjoy, walk
Kasi it's your
nicely,
moment.
and it's your moment.
Yes.
Individually, we walk as a group, but we project
Yes.
as an individual.
Ganda.
Yeah,
Walk
because-
as a group project as an individual.
Kasi ang daming mga mata eh. Malay mo, ispatan ka for,
International film.
international film.
Yeah,
Diba?
that's the chance eh.
That's why, there. Yeah.
Yung chemistry ni Julio, this is
Yes.
pangalang film nyo na. At with Brillante, lagi kayong mag-asawa from service,
Yeah.
Terador to here.
From, ano service?
Takautuk.
Takautukso pa.
Takautukso.
Kami na yung nagkakasama.
Kaya kahit with Brillante, may gamay na
Oo.
work style.
Pati ni Julio.
What's it like working with Julio?
Julio is like a family. As well as Dante.
Kay Ed kasi kayo dati.
Oo. Kasi we started sabay-sabay, di ba? So, merong ano na yun, interaction na yun. Minsan tingin na lang. Kami ni Julio, tingin na lang, alam na namin. Parang gano'n. Hindi na kami nagre-rehearse. Hindi na kami nag-troll line. Kung ano yung lumabas. So, we hope to see more Hollywood actors, international actors. Kasi alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, kahit pa paano, di ba? We like seeing.
It's really the biggest show on earth.
And the biggest red carpet I've ever seen.
Oh, ang haba.
Walang dugtong.
Ang carpet.
Kahit pa meron
Hindi
ako,
ka gaya dito sa atin.
kahit na projection na bang, walang dugtong.
Nangangamu talaga?
Ayan.
Wala